Hello everyone and welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today in this video we are going to talk briefly about the Excel program. Excel program is the most popular spreadsheet program used all over the world. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Although there are many other spreadsheet program which is similar to Microsoft Excel, but Microsoft Excel is the most widely used all over the world. Excel is mostly used for database analysis. You can create graphs, you can create charts, you can input formulas, you can import data from other programs such as Access and analyze the data. Now let's check the Excel window. Excel program. The Excel program, when you start, or everything in the Excel program is done in Workbook. You can see at the top, this is the title bar and the name of the title. The name of this workbook is book 1. Until you don't save this Excel workbook, the name will be like book 1, book 2, etc. Once you save this Excel workbook, then under a particular name, then the name will be shown in this title bar. Excel workbook has sheets like this one. This is sheet 1. If you want more sheet, you can click on this plus icon and you can have more sheet. Now this Excel, if you see the sheet, it consists of rows and columns. The number of rows in this Excel sheet is 1,048,576, and the columns starts from A up to XFD. If you see Excel window, the most prominent difference between the Excel 2007 and later on version compared to the previous versions such as Excel 2000 is you can see the difference in the menu. In Excel 2000 you had like you had menu drop down menus. When you click file, you used to get sub menus, but in case of Excel 2007 and later on, you don't have any vertical drop down menu. You have a ribbon. So this whole part, this is known as ribbon, and each ribbon has tabbed menu. If you click home, if you click insert, these all of them are tabbed menu. If you click home, you will see different icons, application, different menu icons which will be inside the home. If you click insert, you have different icons which represents the menus of the insert. Now this small toolbar which you see at the top, this is known as quick access toolbar. In this toolbar, the program you use frequently such as new or such as save, undo, redo, these menus are saved in this quick access toolbar. You can, of course, you can customize this toolbar so that you can have other menus. For example, if I click on this arrow which is pointing down, I get different other commands. If I want to place new command in this quick access toolbar, I'll just click on new, and I have a new icon on the quick access toolbar. If you click on home, if I click on home, then I can see different other menus like paste, copy, cut. If I click on insert, there are different other menus such as pivot table, pictures, etc. Now if you see in this particular menu, there is an icon, an arrow which points downward. If I click on it, then I'll have more options. Like in this case, home. If I click on this arrow, I get more options. So this quick access toolbar, you can hide it by clicking this arrow which is pointing up, and you can click auto hide ribbon. If you click here, again the ribbon reappears. If you click outside, the ribbon disappears. So if you want the ribbon to be seen again, just click on this arrow and select show tabs and commands. Now this is the vertical scroll bar with which you can move this sheet up and down. This is the horizontal scroll bar with which you can move this sheet to left or to the right. And if you see, there are different views here at the bottom. Right now this is the normal view for this worksheet. If I click on this page layout view, it changes into another view, and there is page break preview. Normally we always remain on normal view. And if you see, there is a slider here. This is for the zooming. If you decrease, then the zoom decreases. If you increase, then the zoom increases. Okay, so this one, if you see here, this is the formula bar. Here you will input formulas, whatever the formulas you want, you can directly input here also. And these ones, this is small brackets, this is small boxes which you see in this sheet, these are known as cell. And the cell where I click, this is known as the active cell. You can see there is a border around this cell. This is the active cell, and inside this cell you can input data, formulas, or whatever thing you want. You can input inside this active cell. If you want to move this cell, this active cell, to another cell, you can directly click, or you can also use the up arrow, down arrow to move the cell, to move the active cell to up, down, right, or left, etc. So this is about the brief overview of the Excel window. If you want to minimize, you can click on this minimize button. If you want to minimize or maximize, you can do it. This is the cross icon. With this one you will be able to close the Excel workbook. So this is the brief overview of Excel window. Remember, Excel is the most important spreadsheet program. There are a lot of things which you can do with this Excel program. We will see it afterwards in the later tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.